screen first and open the Microsoft Word for writing the text so that you can understand it in a better way. So the heading is variable and their scope. Variable and their scope. So students, how many types of variables in Java? There are, first one is local variable. What is student?
Local variable.
Right, local variables. So what are local variables? The variables declared inside a method or block are called local variable. So the variables declared inside a method or block are called local variables. Is it clear? So the scope SCOP scope, the scope of the variable, of the local variable, variable is limited to the method or the block. So what does it mean? Every meaning I will explain you when I will start to write a program. First you watch the theory only. Next one is parameter, P-A-R-A-M-E-T, parameter variables. So what does it mean? The variables used as arguments. The variables used as arguments in the method prototype are called parameter variable. So this is the definition of parameter variable. The variable which are used in the method prototype is called parameter variable. Next one is instance variable. What an instance variable? The member variable or instance variable that store the store the state of an object are known as instance are member variable. What does it mean? It means that one more thing I want to write here. These variables are declared without the static keyword. So the variable which are not declared with the static variable are called instance variable or member variable. Okay, so basically its value are different for each. That means they are referred to as instance variable because their values are unique to each instance of the class. So that their values are unique for each instance of the class. So I will discuss it when I will start to write a program. Next one is class variable. So what type of this? A variable declared in a class with the static, sorry, static keyword or modifiers. Keyword is called class variable. Class variable. So you know that if you declare a variable as a static, then it will be the class variable. Let me explain one by one. First, let me open the Blazor. Let me clear to everything. There is no need of this one. Okay. So I said to you, students, the first one is, let me change the name of this one also. Okay. The theory is local variable, the variable declared inside a method or block. What are block? The code or instruction which are written inside the curly braces are called block. So we will discuss it later when I will teach you the conditional things. So you can see this is a method. Main is a method. So it is written inside a curly braces, but it is given a name. So that's why this is a method. This is not a block. But if you write anything without giving the name, then it is called block. We will discuss it. Don't worry. So suppose if I made a variable public void add, and inside this add I have written int a equal to 10, and I'm printing system.out.println, and I'm printing a. So you know that how I will call this method. First I need to make the object of Pramod Misra class. So how you can make the object? PRA MOD Pramod MISHR Misra obj equal to new Pramod MISHR Misra, and I have to call this object this method obj.add. So you people can understand that you will get the the 10 output. Just let me show you and run this one also. You got the output 10. So you can think that this is the old one, and how you can make the object and how you can call the method. So I told everything. So students, one more thing I want to explain. So this variable which are inside inside any method, inside any block, are called local variable. Local means its scope is not outside of that method. Let me show you. Suppose if I am printing system dot out dot println a over here, a, so it will give an error because its scope is inside to that method only. I cannot print a to outside that method. Just let me show you. Cannot find symbol variable a, so that's why it is called local variable. I think right now it is clear. Local means your, if I take a real example, local means if I talk about, this is a local train. Local train means this can move to our areas only. It cannot move to the Delhi, Mumbai. Okay, so that means its scopes are just very low, and it is inside to our area. So in the same way, if I declare and initialize a variable inside any method, so its scope is just inside to this method. I can use this method, this variable to only these inside to that methods only. Next is parameter variable. So you already know the variable used in argument in the method prototype is called parameter variable. It's very easy. I explained many times. Suppose if you passing int a and you are passing here 12 and you are not initializing here. So this a you can directly print over here. Just compile one. No syntax error. Run this one. You got the result 12. So this 12 is goes to here, and by this it is printed. So this is parameter variable. Parameter variable, and already explained. This is called actual parameter, and this is called formal parameter. So parameter variables is divided into two things: actual parameter and formal parameter. These things always comes to your exam. Next one, instance variable. What are instance variable? So students, as you know that the member variable that store the state of an object are known as instance are of instance are not of. Instance are member variable. These variables are declared without the static keyword. So if you declare any variable to here, int a equal to 10. Okay, so if you make many more objects, suppose I'm making one more object. Let me do this. This is not complete. Control C. If I'm making one more object, and you know the object name will be different. Object 1, obj1, object obj2, and so this, if you declare a variable just after the class, just after curly braces, and after the name of the class. So name of the class, then curly braces, then you declare a variable that is called instance variable or member variable. So basically, why it is called member variable? Because its scope is everywhere. Its scope is everywhere, but you cannot write it inside a static method. As I declared you that you cannot use directly inside a static method, because static inside the static method there will be only a static variable. Okay, but you can use like this obj1.a, because what? Why I'm calling this method? No, there is no need to call this method. I'm just using that variable. So system.out.println. I can use this one obj1.a. So in the same way, I can call it by obj2.a. Why? And if I call this one obj1.add method, no, there is no need. Actually, I will call you. I want to explain one by one, so that's why you people do not. So that you people do not be. So, so students, this is the thing. So obj1.a, obj1.a, and obj2.a. So obj1 and obj2. So this will show you the result. Let me show you. I compiled, no syntax error, and let me delete this one. This one, and run it. You got 10 because here obj1.a, obj1.a and obj2.a. So 2 times you got 10 and 10. So I think your concept is clear right now, and you got the concept. What is the theory part? Class variable, a variable, instance variable. So instance variable are the variable which are not written with the static keyword, and it is used to any method except static method. That means you cannot use it in static method except static method. You can use it every static, static, static int a. So this will be the class variable. Okay, so you can write here directly a because this is a static variable. Sorry, you will write here the use it by the class name Pramod Misra, because I already explained you a static variable is called by the class name. So Pramod Misra dot a, it is terminator is expected. One more thing, Anjani, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So you got all the points?
Yes.
Okay, I will share these videos also in the group. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.